MGN Public School presents, for the first time in Jalandhar, AI, Artificial Intelligence Future Lab. Empower the child with the knowledge of IoT and robotics. Ever wondered, how does a robot work? How does Alexa understand you? AI does this magic. From ideas to innovation, turn your imagination into reality with IoT. In coming 10 years, more than 400 to 600 million jobs in healthcare, education, communication, marketing and banking will be replaced by AI. Let the child be a creator of technology than a consumer of technology. Begin your journey with MGN AI Future Lab.
Hello, I am Apo from class 6C. AI is very interesting subject and I would like to keep it AI as my career in future.
Acquire the technical and cognitive skills to become creator of the future.
The smart traffic control, green stands for go, yellow stands for wait, and red stands for stop.
Make your child future ready. Improve the intelligence quotient and creativity.